Hello everyone, welcome to our lesson. Today we are going to study how to create a custom object and their tabs. So for this, let's go to our developer console. As you can see, this is my org, and here we have object and manager. It's ours from setup menu. We come here. So in this, if you want to create a custom objects are the part of the org which holds data, like an Excel sheet, you name it. So we have two ways of creating a new object. This is our one way, and the other way is from here. So we create custom object. For the custom object, I would like to create like a name, which is let's say brand name, or we can create students. Maybe I created before. Employees, if I tell employees, students, let's say staff. And for this you need to put a plural name. And then starts with vowel sound name, and then the object name is used when reference to the object via the IP. It is staff. You can add something. This object stores information of our staff. Then case sensitive helping setting. There's Visualforce and Salesforce.com. You can select record name for these objects. What you want to do? You want to, sometimes you can write name, or sometimes you can write auto number. This I can say staff number. If you write auto number, then as you can see, look at the format, how to give a auto number for this. If you want to like staff minus curly braces, and there, if you want to put 30, the maximum number from 100 to like 999. You can put here 1, you can put 001, doesn't matter. And then there are another options here, allow reports. If you want this one to be get reports, allow activities, track field, if you want to search, look for who made changes, who use it. Allow in chatter groups to discuss, or enable lesson sync, you can select. And if you come here, then this is you cannot do it now. In the case if the object is licensed by the Salesforce, and whether users require a permission set license for it. Not all they can see. And then here, if you look at here, object classification. When these settings are enabled, this object is classified as enterprise application object. When these settings are disabled, this object classified as a light application objects. So it's up to you as you wish. And the next option, if these objects you are working on it is in development, if you are sure there is no mistake, then you can select deployed, and then when this setting is enabled, your users can find records of these objects when they search. I want to allow this object creation option, like add notes and attachment related list to default page layout. This is when you click this object you will see, and launch new custom tab. I am not going to click this one now. I will save it. If you save it, then you go and then set up a menu. If you say save and new, it will save, and then if you are sometimes creating many, then you can select this one and then create tabs later. Now I'm going to save it. As you can see, it is created, and then as you can see, this keep in your mind, when you create a field, 4 of them are automatically created. What are they? Created by ID, plus modified field name, owner ID, and staff name and name of the field. These 4 of them are automatically created when you create an object. 4 options are. Now let's the other page layout, the coming topics we will study them. Now I will go to home, or will go to setup, or if I still need to make some settings for my object to appear, otherwise I will not be able to see in apps. So for this I need to write tab. As you can see, these all of them, they have tabs. So for my objects I need to create a tab. Click here. As you can see, for which one you can create tabs, this one. It is obligatory to select one of them. Any one you can select. If you want to put a description, you can put. Then go to next. This part a bit important. As you can see, apply one tab visibility to all profiles. All profiles can see, or default on, off, or tab hidden. If you don't want to be seen, hidden. If it is hidden, it is there, but they cannot see. If they search, they can find. And if you apply a different visibility for each profile, click this one. It is on, right? For each profile, if you want to change, you see. But if you want to put off for all of them, put all of them, and then come here. And then if you want to make, let's say for teachers I want on, for recruitment staff you want to put on, solution standard user you want to put on, standard user on, system administrator automatically it will be on. Okay, so only these profiles, they will be able to see this tab. So by default I would like to do all of them on. Okay, just to show you. And then next, these are application. I want, for example, my application, this object to be visible in which app? Recruitment. Where else? Salesforce Azure Setup, Queue Management Standard. I want this one only in service. Let's say in service. Can be sales also, but leave it. Okay, sales also. Or all of them can see. But if you don't want all of them to see, then select only sales and service. These are settings are important, and save it. Now my tab is saved. Stuff. Now let's what to do. If I go to one app, here I search service, or if I go to service and then you click stuff, as you can see it is visible, and then as you can see stuff number. So this number will be automatically. Let's see if you can add anything. Yes, we have no any field here because we didn't add any field. Maybe it is next topic. So cancel. So this is how to create a tab and an object on Salesforce. Thank you very much for watching my videos.